Guys, welcome to our video. Today's video is going to be a resort tour of Moon Palace, Jamaica. We're going to give you guys a quick tour. So if you are interested in booking this resort, keep on watching.
Welcome to Moon Palace, Jamaica. When you arrive, you are asked to sanitize your feet before entering the hotel. Your bags are stored here until your room is ready. You can go have a drink. Come through these doors. On your left is the check-in desk and a seating area, a little lounge there. And then right across from the check-in area, you have a bar and seating as well. Here's where you book your tours and excursions. Can go Duns River. It was pretty fun. You saw the video, the horseback riding, all of that. Come on, let's go. Oh, that's a Quanda.
The Quanda?
That's a Quanda.
Oh.
So.
What does seat come from?
Now you can either take the elevator, that's on your right here, to go downstairs, or you can take these wonderful steps, but be careful. And go to the right or to the left.
And
this is the right, that's the left.
This is also the direction you will go to be for your excursion.
Yeah, whenever you're going to your tours, this is where you would come as well.
So once you get down here, you go to the right, which will take you to where the bus is for the pickup.
Which would be called the Orion Lobby.
Not the onion.
Orion Lobby. But on this side you have this open area, another lounge area to just sit back and relax. And here you have the spa. Let's see if we can see what's going on in there.
Just got done with the tour of the spa. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to take videos. I don't know if Damion was allowed to take videos. We will see when he gets out. However, I know Kayla and Freddie from Day to Day Davis did do a spa tour. So if there's no videos in this video, y'all go ahead and check out their channel so you can see what they saw. And I'll make sure to link that in the description box below so you guys can go watch the video of the tour of the spa. So while we're waiting on Damion to come, on the level with the spa. To the front of the spa, so the right hand side from the stairs we came down, there are more rooms over here. I think these rooms are the rooms with the garden view and the pool view without balconies. We were on the other side of the hotel, but these will be on this side of the hotel. I want to say ship so bad. So coming out into this area, we're gonna go straight ahead first. We're gonna do a circle back. Coming out. Right here is a loud bar. Moon Palace, a loud bar. A loud bar.
So with the loud bar, basically you get live music, live singing, live bands. That's a bunch of fun. We went there last night. It was good. You enjoyed it?
Yes. There'll be clips playing as well on the side. Walking a little more. Over here to the left is the entertainment hall, which is their stage right here, and then there's seating, outdoor seating. On the right, this is the wired lounge, which is the
Bunch of games and stuff.
yeah.
Left of wired.
Over here.
Playroom. That's
Playroom.
the tiny tots.
We don't have any tiny tots on this trip, but they have a space for them to play. Water splash area. And the water slide.
And of course out there at Ocean.
This area was used for multiple receptions while we were here. Yes, the patois is gone.
The kayak, water bike, and catamaran can be found here. The kayak, water bike, and catamaran can be found here. There's a few nice activities. What am I run for?
The gazebo where multiple weddings were held while we was here as well. Garden and ocean view rooms without balconies are located in this building.
Here, so them have a little lounge area again. People just come through and sit down and relax if you're that type of person who's sitting in a sun hat.
You know what I think that's for the restaurant that's over there, the food spot that's over there.
Oh yeah, there is a food spot over there.
Yeah.
But that's still sun hot.
But you're not gonna go there to sit for fun. You're gonna go and eat your food. Again, another view of the ocean. The same seating area with Damion we're just talking about. And then you have another bar back here. This is the sun deck. Right next to the sun deck is the flow rider.
Still didn't get to do it.
Nope. And down there, past the sun deck, you have the Dolphin Cove. We have not been back here, so we're gonna go check it out real quick.
When you come down this side, there's a jacuzzi. I will never use it at all. Members only area for the fancy folks. This is the building where we were in with our rooftop view and half ocean.
Back here is the jerk hut. Jerk hut. That is hard to say.
No.
Get jerk chicken and jerk pork all day, and then they have the actual dinner at night. Across from Jerk Hut is the Italian restaurant. And then back in front of me is Pier 8, which is an outdoor a la carte restaurant as well. Serving breakfast and dinner and possibly lunch. Outdoor seating for the buffet with a view of the pool. Buffet entrance, and back to the lobby we go.
The check-in desk from the back side, right across from the gift shop, and that's how we come in. Thank you, Moon Palace, for hosting us. See you again soon.